It is time for change. It is the new year after all. Do we not make declarations in silence, in secret? I stand right here, right now, on the cusp of 2022, making a declaration, pretending that I am standing on the rooftop, pretending that I am standing on a mountaintop, and I am shouting out to all the villagers below that says, I do declare blank. It is your life. It is time to take back your life and get to a place that you are the driver. You are driving your life's vehicle. It's time to figure out your agenda. Standing out on your porch and looking out over your life and saying, what changes do I want to make in this moment right now? What changes do I see in front of me that are annoying me to death? And I want to make those changes. What are they? Name it right now. What is the change that you want to make in your relationship? What is the change you want to make in your finances? What are the changes that you want to make in your health or in your spiritual journey? Declare it right now. I do declare that I will no longer blank. I do declare that I will blank. Once you make that declaration, the universal energies come to support you. All of the guides and the angels and source energy come right to your aid. It is time to make a declaration. It's time to stand up and say, listen, I no longer want to do this thing anymore. I declare that I'm going to do whatever the opposite is. Once you make that declaration and all of the energy, all of the universal energy come to your support, that declaration will, I promise you, it will come true. But it has to have the energy of this uprightedness. I don't know if that's a word or not, but it has to have this energy that is decisive, that is committed. And once you make that decision, that commitment, that's when energy unites. That's when alignment takes place. So I ask you right now in this moment, as we are turning the corner, as we have just begun a new year, 2022. Do you even believe it? 2022, what is it that you declare to start doing or to stop doing? Take a snapshot of your life and ask yourself, what change do I want to make? And what change can I commit to where I can stand up and make this declaration for this new year and a new life and a change that will propel me forward on my path?